Okay, here we have a Wurlitzer 5250, and we're going to show you how to reset the coin wheel. We start by taking off these two screws. And this opens the selection assembly. These two screws have to come off as well, and the terminal strip is located on the back. Now we have access to the credit wheel. This is the 10-cent piece. This is the 25-cent piece, 50-cent piece, and the nickel. The nickel is put behind the $half because it's not used, because this is the factory setting, which is 2 nickels for 1 play or a dime, 3 for a quarter, and 7 for a $half. Now, in order to make this work perfectly, it must be thoroughly cleaned. So we're going to take a small screwdriver and we're going to remove the E-clip. There's an E-clip right here. And we're going to get our magnetic pencil, and whoa, that's where the other E-clip is. We're going to put the E-clip right on there so we don't lose it. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to take this spring off, and then we're going to come straight up with it. Turn it, and it'll come right out. This is the cancel wheel. Notice this arm goes up and down, and there's a bracket on this arm which passes through the opening in the cancel bracket. This must be taken apart, cleaned, lubricated, as you can see here. When reinstalling the credit wheel, it is extremely important that this be pushed up so that this piece, as you can see here, that's sliding, is above, and our wheel, which has a stud on the back side of it, must go to the left of the stud that's sticking up in the chassis. Can you see that there? Thank you. So, in order to get this on, we're going to slide this here, but we're going to be careful not to let it go until, see that? We know we've got it right. Okay, so now that the wheel is back on, in order to test it, the way it operates is when there is a dime, a quarter, or a $half, the wheel will pull the amount of credits that it's preset for and establish them on the unit. So to test, we have to make sure that this moves freely. Then we know we've got it properly. Reattach the spring, and we're good to go. Okay, now that we have everything back in place, we will cycle the wall box, and yeah, we're good to go. Do not forget to put the E-clip back in place. Now we know it's working. Okay, now to reassemble, we put on these two screws first, because as you can see, there's room for this to move up and down. And that's how it works.